In this video series, we are discussing LoadMaster portable power distribution boxes. The LoadMaster distribution boxes offer unmatched flexibility for changing on-site power needs. The adjustable electronic circuit breakers allow overcurrent protection that can be changed to match output loads for specific applications quickly and easily. With ratings ranging from 60 to 400 amps, LoadMaster boxes feature 1, 3, or 4 electronic circuit breakers with adjustable settings within self-contained boxes, no rewiring, and no need to have inventory of a wide range of breakers. Just the convenience and safety of UL-listed, adjustable, portable power distribution. To adjust the amperage rating of specific outputs, each circuit breaker has its own set of dip switches. Each breaker is labeled with a corresponding set of CAM outputs. The tables located under the breakers show dip switch positions for specific amperages. Set the dip switches to the desired positions and close the clear cover, and that's it. Typical applications include installations requiring a main disconnect for a range of downstream electrical loads such as portable kitchens, environmental control units, machinery, motors, tools, and more. Thank you for watching, and please join us again for additional trainings on scalable power distribution systems, product features, and more. Lex Products, we deliver the power.